Hello friends, today I have done something different. I've thought of sharing with you. Here there were two mineral water bottles. I have repurposed this for planting two small cute plants. In one I have planted tulsi, in another I have planted potentilla. Now I have painted it with light blue and then I have put some green dots over it. The green dots I have made with the help of bindi that I cooked today. So what I have done is I have cut open the top of the bottle and then I have painted this remaining portion and made some drainage hole. There is a coco peat block that I am going to use in this uh, basket as well as on this leftover part that I am repurposing as well. You can see I have inserted one thread and I am going to fill it with coco peat and then I am going to put some pudina there. So let me first make the coco peat mix. I'm sprinkling this coco peat with the water to make it moist so that it can hold water and can help the plant to survive. So there, here in this video I am also going to share with you about some of the repurposing videos that I am going to make very soon with the shell of coconut. The coconuts are lying at my home. In very soon I am going to make some repurposing video from the coconut shell as well. So here I have already done with the coco peat mix, so that I am going to fill it with I am going to fill it. Okay, so let's start. Let me pour some coco peat here and then I'm going to plant some pudina in both the heads of the cut open part of the mineral water bottle, and I'm going to place it on the top of my water tank in the courtyard. So let me first fill it evenly and then I'm going to bring some mint plant from my courtyard which is growing in one of the tub. In the previous video I've seen that. So there are the two baskets as well that I'm going to fill with the coco peat, and then I'm going to fill it with some vermicompost and then with some vegetable peels that I have cooked today. The vegetables, why to throw away the vegetable peels, that will also become compost. So I'm going to use every thing here to grow healthy and very nice plants in this container. So don't forget to make drainage hole when you are growing any type of plant in a planter. Now you may be thinking that why I have diverted from my tutorial videos to all this plantation program. Actually, you see, yes, I'm telling about it later. Now see, I have brought the fresh pudina that I'm going to plant it here in this container, and then I'm going to place on the table top of the water tank. Here it is. It will grow very healthy here. The water will be constant supply there. Okay, so pudina is always required. This is also one of the containers that I have repurposed few days back. Moss roses here. So this is a vermicompost. See, I have bought it online. Actually, I am not promoting any type of business of the company that from where I have bought it. Actually, nowadays it is raining so much, so I cannot make vermicompost in the garden. It's so raining everywhere. There is grass, so it is very difficult for me to manage. So this is the vermicompost that I am going to use in my planters and fill it with this vermicompost. I am not going to throw away this sack of the vermicompost as well. I am going to repurpose it as well with for making some grow bags that I have made already in the terrace. It is there. In some other video I will discuss about the grow bags. So here I am filling it. So what I was telling, that why I have shifted from tutorial videos to this type of gardening tips. Now see, for 1.5 years we all are just locked up. The students and the teachers are locked in this home. So it is a very boring life for us, especially the teachers and students. So we are all very busy with our virtual classes, online work, and every time lot of boredom is there. So in order to get some relief out of this type of stressful situation of virtual classes, I often use my time for planting. Even I buy some plant. Often I just make a short trip to the nurseries whenever I get time and spend some money and time there, and buy some some beautiful plants. And there from there also I propagate and give it to friends and those who are very near and dear one to me. Even I give some of the plants to my students so that they also should know the importance of plant, and they should also grow something in their home. Actually, in our time, we learned so many things and we were very close to nature. But nowadays, the students are becoming very, very mechanized. In this mechanized world, they should also know about the importance of nature, importance of plants, importance of how to preserve our ecosystem and environment. Everything cannot be bookish. We need to do something practical, and as we say that the teachers are the best facilitators, so we have to facilitate them. We cannot only teach them, we have to make these things ourselves to teach them that yes, we are also doing, you should also do. So this is only my motto. So this is the sack that I'm going to repurpose again for making grow bag. Once again I'm telling, I'm not promoting any business of any company. So these are the planters ready with the plants, so cute. As I told you in the beginning of the video that I'm going to tell you something about the use of the coconut shell as a planter. So these are the 3 coconuts at home which is left. In the next video I'm going to cut open this coconut and try to give some shape and use them for making some planter for growing some beautiful flowering plants. So tata, see you in my next video for the gardening tips. Till then, bye, take care, everything, smile and grow some plants. Always, as I say, plants are givers. Thanks for watching my video.